Welcome to the channel, guys. Check it out. Got the ran when pulled motor and heads back. Well, let me take a step back. So the motor was ran when pulled. I got the heads over here on the shelf. Those were the heads that came off of that motor right there, the 317 heads. I picked up these 823 heads in a little town in Oklahoma, but I had some work done on them. New intake valves, got it decked or milled, whatever you want to call it. Same with the block, decked, bored out, 20 over. 4.0 is the stock bore. So yeah, this thing's good to go. I got the heads back, they look great. Cost me a little more than I thought. Paid $625 for the heads, and I think I got about $525 of machine work into them. And I still need to get the dual springs. It'll come out still okay, but I wanted to save a little more on that. But the block was I think $525 for. I got the new cam bearings in there. Deck clean, board 20 over. So that's not too bad. Feeling pretty good about this engine. I still have the other one. The basically the iron 6.2 here now. That was just chilling until I figure out what I want to do with it, but we'll see. Got a million ideas. It's just a matter of what I want to do. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the results of that motor. The ran when pulled one looked a lot better than the core. So moving forward for me personally, I'll probably stay away from the cores and try and find a cheap junkyard one that's at least free and spins, because the core was locked up. So you live and learn, I suppose. Moving on, as you can see, I got the frame back and it's been painted. Looks great. So I can start putting suspension together on this guy, probably starting next week. And then I've also started getting my other body panels back here. So I got a new taillight panel there, a new under brace. It's like a central floor brace, because that one's rusted out in the car. And then I got a new fender here for the driver's side. If I can find the passenger, I've been having a hard time finding those, even repop, you know what I mean? If I can find the passenger, I'll go ahead and get that one too, because I just don't trust. I mean, this, you see these weird little marks, and it's been crumpled on the front. I don't know if you can see that little ripple there, but it does exist, trust me. That's rippled, it's been pulled. So I'm just thinking, I think I can get one for maybe $550, another repop, so I think I'll go ahead and do that. 2 new fenders, call it good. And then I'm gonna have to start looking at this body work here. I cannot find a door for this thing. Been able to find some lower skins, so I may go that route, just order a lower door skin for the passenger side. And I have to do some rocker work here too. You can see there and there, and it looks even worse inside. So I got a ton of work to do on this body. I think I'm gonna try and tackle it myself. I went ahead and ordered a TIG welder, so I'm gonna learn that to try and keep the welds cooler, from what I understand. I may end up having to do a floor pan as well. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try and tackle a lot of this myself. Never done it before, so man, I know it's a lot of work, and I'm kind of nervous, but at this stage of the game, I can't afford to pay, you know, someone 20 grand to do the work for me. And that's probably what I'm looking at for cost on, you know, major rust repair like this. So, I mean, I might be able to get away with like 15, including paint and body, which I'm gonna have to do anyway. But, you know, if I can save myself 8-12 grand on repair work, you know, as long as I learn how to do it and do it right, then I think it'll be fine, honestly. I mean, I did a lot of repair work to the frame myself. You can still see my handiwork there. You know, I know that's strong. I welded it myself. I'm not worried about it. Just obviously it's not as, I guess, cosmetically appealing, but the strength should definitely be there. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Got the motor back, got the frame back. I'll be doing the suspension on that starting next week, so look for those videos. And then I'm gonna start tackling the body work on this car. I'm still waiting on that welder. It's probably, hopefully no more than a week and a half out, but we'll see. Like I said, I'll have plenty of stuff to do with the chassis and maybe another project. Stay tuned for that as well. I'm not gonna let the cat out of the bag on that one yet, because nothing's done till it's done. So stay tuned. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it, and please continue to comment, like, and subscribe.